Hi, in this video we're going to talk about that how to draw a hexagon in Python programming language by using Turtle graphics module. First I'm gonna open new file and let's import from our Turtle module everything. Then let's make a loop in which we're going to draw 6 lines and 6 angles, because hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. First, in our for loop we need to draw lines. Let's make our lines 100 pixels wide and let's rotate our lines in counterclockwise direction. We're going to use left function and we want to rotate by 60 degrees in each iteration our new drawn side. Okay, let's save now our file as hexagon.py and let's run it. Okay, that's it. And for example, for practice, we can also change the size of our pen. So I'm going to open again our project and I will use function pen size and put for our pen size value 4. Let's run it again. That's all in this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to see my other videos. See you in the next video.